So today I am unboxing the Conworld wall mounted dispenser. This is how it comes in. You can use this for laundry, so you can use it in your laundry area to store your laundry detergent and also your laundry scent beads. You can also use it in your pantry. So today I'm going to be using it in my pantry because I use pods for laundry. So I'm going to be using it in my pantry and I'll show you how I install it. When you pull it out of the container, it comes like this. This is what it looks like. And when you open it up, that is when you see the cups. So these are the cups that you can put over here to collect whatever you are using. So one thing I like about this dispenser is that when you open it up, you see, even though it has a demarcation pattern right there, you can take this out and just put one thing in it. You don't have to put two things in it. You can just put one thing in it. So what we're going to do is that over here, we're going to stick the box in there. So we're going to fix this in here. So you want to fix it and then keep it for 24 hours after you fix it onto the wall. So now I'm just going to stick it on here. Here I have beans, and over here I have lentil, and as you see, I can take my lentil, take the cup, get my lentil out like that, and I can also take the cup and get my beans out. And this is so cool. It's so beautiful. So this dispenser is something that it just saves me counter space because I don't have to put another thing on the counter space, and also I don't have to put another thing on the shelf in the pantry. So just sticking it on the wall. The key thing is after you stick the adhesive, wait 24 hours before you install the dispenser. Always wait 24 hours, and I hope you guys like it as much as I do.